For this DIY, you'll need clear wax. These are just 2 lights I've left in the attic and they'd all melted into each other. Crayons in the colour of your choice. These are just a selection of odd ones I found around the house. Something for the candle to be in. I have bought these mini milk jars which are really cute. And also a candle wick, size suitable for the jar, and some sticky pads to hold it in place. You'll need something to melt the wax into, so I'm using these containers that I've used previously to make some crayons. Put the clear wax into each container, ready to melt. And get your sticky pad, attach it to a wick and push inside your jar, push into the bottom. Handy tip here, use an empty pen if you can't quite reach to the bottom. Repeat as many times as needed. Get your wax in its container, melt in the microwave at 30-second intervals. Once melted, add the crayons of your choice and put back on for another 30 seconds or so, until fully melted again. Now be careful because it's hot, but pour the wax slowly into your jar up to the amount that you would like. I'm using a metal wick holder, but top tip, you can use these plastic clips as well. You can buy these in the range, B&M or IKEA. Now repeat each step for each colour you would like in your candle. If you're enjoying this video, please do give it a massive thumbs up, and if you're not already, hit subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to be one of the first to know when I upload a new video. If it was for a present, you could always get these little corks that come with the bottles, stick it in the top like that, and it just finishes it off beautiful. And then you can always get this little bit of twine, wrap it around the top if you just want to make it a little bit more rustic looking, and it makes for a fab little present. And there you go, all finished. Cork in the top and twine around the edge.